Hey guys, a very quick unboxing and review of the new Klein Tools Compact Laser Distance Measure. The model number is 93LDM100C. Basically it does the same thing as other distance measurement devices that are using laser beam. The scope is 100 feet or 30.5 meters. It does have a metric, inches, feet, and inches and meters. Lightweight design, high visibility design, and so on. So let's take a look. There are various designs of this on the market, and one thing I've noticed that the higher capacity they have, the more they are prone to errors. I had in the past very bad experience with Bosch. One Bosch I had just wasn't precise to begin with. Alright, indeed a very lightweight design. And again, when using those, you have to be mindful about about several security precautions. To begin with, lasers are very harmful to your eyesight, so you must exert caution when you are using those, so you don't accidentally hit someone's eye. And it is something to be mindful about. It's not a small problem, as people might think. It is definitely something to be very concerned and mindful about. If you're constantly doing measurements, especially not only in construction, if you're constantly doing measurements for real estate or something like that, that's also you'll find this very quickly to be an indispensable tool and very convenient at that. So comes with a Duracell batteries. So reset and programming electrodes inside. Okay, so let's put it together. Really like how they do their equipment. You see how the nylon plastic is overmolded this insert, so it's not just a ball that you screw in and you screw into the plastic, although probably you won't be opening it every now and then. And I really like that, you know, they could have put like a plastic bevel or something like this that you can clip it on and off, but instead they chose to have this design with an actual metallic screw that goes into that. It's a little bit more expensive. But it's definitely something that is, you know, the better solution in my mind. All right, so that's the screen, and now let's see. So basically how they all operate is press this button and you see it does measure by flickering this laser beam constantly, and then so you see those are the inches, 8.5 inch. So other fancy you know, measurement devices could specify, you know, you can You can do volume and area. I'm not sure you can do this here, but display looks a little bit unit T. Okay, and we're switching between metric, now long press, so 1.283 meters and 24 centimeters and 6 millimeters, and I'm moving my hand away. Basically it's measuring behind, next to me there is a wall, so it's 1.2 meters. Let's press again, and that's how you turn it off. Metric, unit. So let's try inches, and so that's feet in inches, and that's just inches. Let's cycle through those. Alright, so now it's 4 feet 1 inch. Okay, and 1 foot 11 inches. Yep, it is very precise. Not too bright though. The display is just not too bright, to tell the truth. I'm in a very well lit area, so, and it is a little bit glaring, but there is a little glare on the screen, but at the same time I don't know, it looks sufficient enough to me. And you measure a distance between this side and the next. You have to butt this against the wall or the end of your measurement, so that's why keeping this not scuffed is important. And then you just press this and you measure. So that's inches only, inches and fractions. Okay, so in order to freeze that, you have to press this and then it's frozen, and once you press it again, it keeps it, moves it up, and starts dynamically to change this. So practically it has 3 memories if you want to take a volume or area. I understand you have to manually multiply that. Nothing wrong with it. Yep, there is indication when the laser is operational. Yep. So I like it a lot. I like it a lot, mostly that it is indeed very lightweight. Very lightweight. Yep. You gotta keep the lens clean. One thing I didn't like about this is that there is no like clip here or sleeve or something like this to kind of keep all of this, you know, from debris. But indeed, it is a very lightweight thing. The clip itself is sturdy. Good design. And then keep it longer to turn off. So it's 2-meter drop rated, IP54 means you can dunk it in water. Batteries are included. warranty coverage and so on. And let's see the instruction manual too. It does show, you know, operational. I really like the two possibilities to switch how it measures. So when you're measuring, come on, focus. So you can switch from the end of the tool here. You can switch from this to measuring from the front, which is also a good solution. I didn't see too many other tools doing that. I gotta see that. Alright, so it has this capability, which means you can measure against. That's for more precise measurement, like if you want to align it with, let's say, a joist or something like that, align it precisely and then measure. I was specifically looking for timeouts. Sound control can be turned on and off. Powering off, automatic power off after 3 minutes of inactivity. So temperature, it has a temperature protection, low battery. Yep. No abrasives for cleaning, storage in a dry, non-humid environment. Yep. And that's it. Klein Tools Compact Laser Distance Measurement Device. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Bye.